parents and families, this is Mrs. Heisey, and I'm just making a quick video to show you 2 places to find your child's grades for morning work or exit tickets, or even if we have tests. Now, morning work and exit tickets and even like math tests and whatnot are not things that go on our report cards. They're just things to make sure we know students are understanding what they're learning or what they are watching. Now, what does go on report cards are the essential standards assessments, and those are the assessments that students can do over and over and over again until they get to 100%. And if we ever have one of those assessments, I will always send an email about it. So I've had a couple questions about that too. So just know the morning work and exit tickets, those are things we're looking for to help with our instruction and to make sure students are doing their job and watching those videos, especially in morning work time, because that's a whole part of our curriculum. And if students aren't watching that part, then when they go to 3rd grade, they're going to be missing a lot of background knowledge when it comes to listening and learning, because every grade level builds on top of one another. So that's why we do those morning work assignments, and the exit tickets are to help our instruction. So just know that those are not report card grades. But if you do want to know how your student is doing, keep watching, and I'm going to show you where you can find your child's grades. Now, when you get to the home page, so first you would have to click this dashboard on the left, and then you would have to click Mrs. Heisey's 2nd grade. And I'm in like a test student view, so I can't show you the dashboard because for some reason it's locked. So just know you have to get to the home page, which all of your students should do probably just about every day. So here's our home page. To look for your child's grades, go to the left and then click on the word grades. Now, this will take you to a list of assignments. Now, if you looked today, you're probably going to see these 4 assignments, and they're probably going to say missing. I had to do kind of like an iCloud backup type thing on Canvas over the weekend. So all of trimester 1's assignments are backed up, and you can't see any of them except for these 4. These 4 are the report card assessments that students have already done. So these might say missing, but just know they are not. Okay, it's just something happened when we did this trimester 2 part of Canvas. So don't worry about those. What I would just look at immediately is 12-7. You will not see anything from trimester 1. All of those assignments are backed up. They're put away. Students, even if they were missing them, they can't do them anymore. So it's like a fresh start, a clean slate. Today's the first day of trimester 2. So you can see the list of assignments. Today there was 1 assignment. Tomorrow there are 2. Wednesday there is 1. Thursday there is 1. Friday there will be 1 too. So right here, it doesn't, because it's a test student, it doesn't have anything. But right here, there would be a score. It would say 0, 1, or 2. And on the left side, the right side of this, it says out of. So your child today got a 0 out of 2, a 1 out of 2, or a 2 out of 2. And you can check right there. Now, this stuff on the bottom is not going to be important because you're going to see some totals. That's not even something that I look at. So if you want to know how your child is doing, you click grades and you just go down the list and see what they got out of the number on the right-hand side. If you want your child to be redoing these things, maybe they got a 0 or a 1 out of 2, they can always go back and rewatch a video and redo the questions. I have made it so for morning work and maybe not exit tickets, but for morning work, they can go back and they can redo it because I want them to feel successful. And if they got a 0 or a 1 out of 2, maybe they just got to watch it one more time and they can get a 2 out of 2. The listening and learning is not easy. Students are learning things that I don't even remember learning until I was in high school or even college, to be honest. So it's a little difficult, but they're being open to a whole world of all sorts of new content. Now, I got to be quick here. You can go to quizzes. If you want to have them redo it, go to quizzes, click on the day. So today was 12-7, and you can also see their score on the right. So here it is. Their score will come up on the right as well. Of course, it's not loading. It should come up on the right